Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn about what if analysis, and within what if analysis, to be more specific, let's learn about goal seek. First, let us see in which option this function is available. So we can go to the data tab, and within the data tab, there is a group called forecast, and in the forecast group, you can go to what if analysis. When you click this, you can see there are three choices available. In this video, we are going to learn about goal seek. Before getting into this command, let's try to understand what this formula is going to do in a layman's language. It's a simple English, goal seek. If you decode it, it's nothing but you have a goal and you want to know how you can achieve it. So this is how we can simply understand what this function is going to do. Now, I have three different scenarios here, and I'm going to go through it one by one. Now, look at the first example. In this example, I have the revenue, I have cost, and here these two are calculated cells. You can see the formula in the formula bar. In this example, we have to input only the revenue and cost, and because of formulas, it will calculate the profit and profit percentage automatically. Now, I have a question. With this revenue and cost, if I have to earn 25% profit, how can I achieve it? Either I can increase my revenue or decrease my cost, but I don't know exactly how much I need to increase and how much I need to decrease. And for that, instead of getting into the cell and typing various numbers manually, we have this goal seek function and we can make use of it. Now, let me show you how we can do that. Go to what if analysis and click on goal seek. It has three parameters. We need to pass arguments for these three parameters. The first one is set cell. So we are going to set the cell B6, that is the profit, to the value. My goal is to achieve 25% profit. So I'm typing 25% here. By changing cell, by changing which cell I'm going to achieve the 25%. Here there are two choices. Either you can click on revenue or you can click on cost. So I'm going to see if I increase my revenue by X amount, then I will be getting 25%. But I want to know what will be that amount. So I'm selecting the revenue cell here, which is B3, and then clicking OK. So you can see Excel had done various iterations by changing the numbers by itself, and then it said the target value is 25.25 and the current value is 25%. So it has achieved the goal which we wanted to arrive at. Now you can click on OK. Now you can see you have to earn 27,565 rupees, keeping the cost as constant at the same cost. And if you are able to increase your revenue to this amount, then your profit will be 25%. Now to perform this goal seek function, it is essential that you have to build the formulas before using this function. Also, you cannot keep any cell blank when you perform this function. I will show you again. I'm going to set cell my profit as 25% by changing the revenue. Because it is blank, if I run this goal seek command, it is going to give me the error message. Formula in cell must result in a number. So I should input some value here before running this. So I will simply type it as 1 because I don't want to leave it blank. And then I will execute this command again. Set cell profit by changing cell to value 25% by changing the revenue. Now you can see it performed various iterations by changing the revenue, and when it arrived at 25%, it stopped the iteration. So this is one example. I will show you some other examples also. Here you can see in this table, I have the various subjects and what is the maximum marks you can score and what is the actual mark you have obtained. So with this input, the percentage is coming to 65%. Now let's assume I have a goal of achieving 70% marks. Now there are various ways I can achieve 75%, but for the sake of this exercise, I'm going to assume I want to improve my marks in English and I want to achieve 70%. Now let's run a goal seek and see how it is getting calculated. Set cell is my total marks and percentage of marks. To value 70%. That was my goal. By changing cell, by changing the marks in English, because that is where I have obtained very less marks and I want to increase only in this subject. Done. So if we score 75% marks in English, then I can achieve my goal of 70% of overall marks. Now let me give one more example here. You can, in this example, we are calculating the EMI. You can see the principal amount and the rate of interest and the period. When you look at the formula for EMI, the formula is PMT. And if you click inside the formula, you can see the various parameters it takes. The first parameter is a rate. Here, rate of interest is given per year, but in the formula, I have to give the rate of interest according to each month. So I have divided by 12. And the second parameter, NPER, which is nothing but the period. Here I have given 5 years, but inside the formula, I should give according to the number of months. So I have multiplied the cell K5 into 12, and then the present value PV, which is nothing but the principal amount. First, I need to do the basic calculation with the formula, and then I can ask a question to myself. Let's assume that I earn good amount of money, so I have on a monthly basis, I have a huge savings with me. In that case, my repayment capacity will be higher. Let's assume that I can pay even 5,000 rupees as EMI per month. With this scenario, let's try to run the goal seek again. Set cell is K7, that is EMI, and to value 5,000. I'm giving a minus here because the written value of the formula is in minus. By changing cell period. Okay. Now you can see my EMI is 5,000 and the period got reduced to 1.83. That is 1 year and fraction. Okay, let's consider another example. If my repayment capacity is 5,000 rupees per month, how much principal amount I can borrow? We can keep the rate of interest and period as constant. And let's try to run this simulation. Goal seek. EMI is 5,000 by changing the principal. Now you can see it calculated how much money I can borrow. I can borrow 2,35,326 rupees at the rate of 10% interest for a period of 5 years. And with this data, I will be paying my EMI as 5,000 rupees. Hope I was able to explain this concept clearly. Thank you all for patiently watching this video.